Ribbon replacement for the 45 machine. Ribbon replacement video. Your Highness, we will... Right hand note, right hand note. First pause and open the ribbon cartridge. Then remove the original ribbon. Here is the connection diagram for the right hand mechanism. Press with your left hand for the left mechanism and press with your right hand for the right mechanism's connection. After measuring, insert the ribbon back in. You can start the video now. Begin printing. Alright, that's how you install the ribbon.